Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. This week is our final week, and so it's final exam time. I've changed up the structure of the final exam, so forgive me if I've communicated to you and said that it was going to be just like the quizzes, because it was. In fact, it was going to be about 100 questions pulled from all the quizzes you've taken over the course of the semester. But one of your classmates reached out to me, and so you all should be thankful for her. And she said, you know what, you keep talking about how well we're doing in the class and how great the grades are. Is there any way we could maybe change up the final exam? And you know what? She's absolutely right. And so, with this particular final, I just want you to be able to tell me in one paragraph, or more if you prefer, but the minimum is one paragraph, so 5 sentences, describing how this course has helped you develop a better understanding of the factors necessary to maintain and improve your overall health and wellness. Please refer to the topics covered in the course and use health-related terms from the text in your writing. If you have any questions regarding this final exam assignment, just email me and I'll respond as always. Guys, this is about as simple as I can make it. I truly hope that you've taken something from the course that will benefit you, not just during this course, but throughout your life. That's one thing I take pleasure in, is the fact that the courses that I teach aren't just about getting a grade for this semester or getting a credit that we need for our degree, but it is impactful for our overall health and wellness across our life. Guys, I've rambled enough now. I wish you the best of luck on this final exam and all your finals. And if I can ever be of any support, just let me know. Take care, and I'm signing off.